What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, i-share natin sa inyo isang bagong game guys na hype na hype. So dito guys, ituturo natin sa inyo kung paano kayo makakapag pre-register and also kung ano yung mga dapat yung abangan dito guys sa game na to, which is Crystal of Atlan. Before that, ito pala muna guys yung mga nanalo sa ating pag-giveaway, and let's go! So guys, ito yung ating pinaka-latest na video. So punta lang tayo dito guys sa newest. Okay, so scroll down lang natin. So ayan, in-scroll ko na yan guys. So ang nauna dito guys is si Radmo, nanalo ka ng 50 pesos. So kung gusto mo maging 100 pesos yan, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is sumali sa aking Telegram channel, Telegram group, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel na second, which is Captain Hans, and dito sa YouTube channel na to, and also mag-follow ka na rin sa aking Facebook page. Kapag nagawa mo yan, magiging 100 pesos na yung panalo mo instead of 50 pesos.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, paste lang natin yung link dito ng video. So i-check na natin dito kung sino yung nanalo ng 100 or 50 pesos. So bakit siya 50 pesos? So kailangan siya maging 50 muna guys, then magiging 100 siya kapag nagawa niyo yung mechanic. So ayan, meron tayong 70 comments at maraming salamat guys sa pag-support nyo. Sana itong giveaway natin nakakatulong at least sa inyo. So ayan guys, check na natin kung sino yung nanalo at congratulations kay Anika Nika, nanalo ka ng 50 pesos. So Anika Nika 30 or 322, mag-message ka lang sa akin sa Telegram. Nandiyan yung Telegram account ko, nilagay ko na dyan, which is at Captain Hans 19. So hindi ako nagme-message guys ng una at di ako manghihingi sa inyo ng GCash. So baka may mameke dyan. So ayan guys, ayan, sesend ko sa iyo 100 pesos kung magagawa mo yung mechanic. So mag-message ka na sa akin kung napanood mo na itong video na ito. So ngayon guys, dediretso na tayo sa ating topic, and let's go! Guys, ito yung Crystal of Atlan. So, ang ginamit ko dito guys is App Store. So, ayan, nag-try na ako dito guys mag-pre-register. Ito yung sa store. So, ngayon guys, pwede kayo mag-pre-register dito and meron din siyang rewards kayong makuha. So, ito guys yung mga rewards kapag nag-pre-register kayo. Ayan, so ayan guys, yung mga makuha nyo. 8 million milestone pack. So, ayan, pwede siyang legend return outfit. So, ayan guys, ito 6M. So, kung pang 8M ka, ayan yung makuha nyo. Pero kapag nandito kayo guys, ayan yung mga possible nyo makuha. And also guys, pwede rin kayo manalo ng gadgets dito. Ito, click lang natin itong question mark. So sabi dito, event period May 5 to 2025, 8 AM to official launch. Specific times will be announced in advance through the official communities and other channels. So event rules, milestone event, rewards for each milestone will unlock progressively and will be sent to players via in-game mails within 24 hours after the official launch. Agitech Salmon by pre-registering, inviting friends, and following the official communities, players can collect salmon tickets for a chance to win amazing prizes such as iPhone 16 Pro Max, 1TB guys, and Apple Watch Ultra 2, AirPods. So ayan yung pinaka malaking prize nila, which is iPhone 16 Pro Max 1TB. So ayan guys, so meron din mechanics dito kung ano yung dapat nyong gawin. Okay, so mamaya papakita natin sa inyo yan guys. Okay, so nandito na rin pala guys yung mechanics guys. Okay, so ayan, basahin nyo na lang to. So tandaan nyo, click nyo na lang yan. So ayan yung possible na pwede nyo mapanalunan. So ayan, sabi guys, so Magitech Salmon join event, a chance to win iPhone 16 Pro Max. So ayan, and guys, yung mga prizes. So ito yung event quest, click nyo lang yung question mark. So ayan lang din yung kanina. So rewards, ito yung first is iPhone 16 Pro Max 1TB, Apple Watch Ultra 2, AirPods Max, and ayan. So ang dapat nyo lang gawin dito, or how to claim within 2 weeks after the official launch, log in to this page, link your character UID, and use the verification code to collect your rewards. So ayan daw siya guys, and madi-deliver din siya within 10 working days of the official launch. Kung ikaw yung nanalo guys, ang sabi dito is players who win physical prizes will receive a survey link via in-game mail within 10 working days. So ayan guys yung kanilang mechanics. And also guys, regarding dun sa pre-registration, nagtry ako dito kasi hindi siya gumagana. Yung verification lang nila for now. So ito yung Warrior Assembly. So ayan guys, invite one friend. Ito yung possible nyo makuha. Ayan pala yung makukuha nyo, and ayan yung gold. So ayan, kung 3 friends naman. So ngayon, kapag linik nyo itong invite now, ayan, nagtry ako dito guys, yung verification di pa siya gumagana. So pag gumana na siya guys, ayan, pwede na kayo mag-pre-register dito. So ako, as of the moment, di siya gumagana sa akin kapag naglalagay ako ng number or kahit email. So ayan, trinay ko rin App Store, and sa App Store naman meron na rin siya. Nung nag-pre-registration ako or clinic ng verification, nag-failed siya kaya wala akong nare-receive. So for now, ganyan muna siya guys, okay? So eto guys yung mga classes na meron dito. Meron silang fighter with a hardened fist, I'll shatter all doubts. So eto siya. Okay, so check naman natin yung Cloud Strider and also Starbreaker. So ayan guys, yung mga itsura, parang anime talaga siya guys. Para siyang merong pagka solo leveling na game na may halong ibang anime guys. So ayan. Okay, so dito guys wala siyang gacha, so free lang lahat ng characters dito. So more on competitive gaming siya guys. So may mga dash dito parang Dragoness, so idadodge nyo rin yung mga atake ng kalaban, and syempre may mga combo din. So ayun yung maganda dito. Ito may gunner din dito. So ayan siya guys. Okay, so check naman natin. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa Warrior Assembly. Dito na tayo guys sa official website. Click lang natin tong official website nila, and sabi dito ayan, store pre-registration. Nagawa ko na to kanina, which is yung pinakita natin sa inyo sa umpisa ng video. Ayan lang yan, yung sa may App Store, and pre-registration rewards. So ayan. Ngayon dito naman guys, scroll down lang natin. Ayan yung classes. So dito click lang natin tong mga news. Okay, so dito muna tayo guys sa news. Okay, so try muna natin i-click eto. Ayan, ito yung info nila. So sabi dito kanina kasi guys, nakita ko dito na wala silang gacha. Okay, Crystal of Atlan launches May 28 with new fighter class and Team Liquid collaboration. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys ng Team Liquid, solid na team yan, mapadota man or kung anumang game. Ayan, so check lang natin guys. Okay, yung sinabi dito na wala siyang gacha. Okay, ito guys. So key features, 11 classes with no character gacha. All classes are free to use, each offering over 20 skills. Player can mix and match skills for visually stunning combos and deep customization. Chain up to 12 skill for infinite combos. So ayan guys, so parang siyang Tekken. Sa mga marunong mag-Tekken dyan, or infinite combo and fluid 3D combat system, team-based dungeon and fleet system. Fair PvP competition balance, 1v1 and 3v3 competitive modes ensure a fair fight where skill not stats determine the victor. So when Crystal of Atlan is free to play with cross-play support for mobile and PC. Besides, pre-order for 2 separate item packs are currently available via PlayStation Store. To stay updated with the latest Crystal Atlan news, follow nyo sila guys sa kanilang mga platform like Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, and Discord. So ito, viral na viral to guys. Ayan, collaboration sila with Liquid. Okay, so ayan. So sabi rin pala dito guys is May 15, 2025, Crystal of Atlan, the highly anticipated free-to-play MMO action RPG will be officially available on iOS, Android, PC, Epic Games Store, and PlayStation 5 on May 28, 2025, launching with 11 unique classes, including the brand new playable fighter and special collaboration with Team Liquid. Crystal of Atlan promises an action-packed debut for players around the world. Pre-register to learn more via the link. So ito guys yung news nila. So ngayon wala pa akong mapapakita sa inyo, pero try natin pakita sa inyo dito guys yung mga movement ng mga characters.
体。
双星之境，跪服吧，英灵显现，极为恩典。灰飞烟灭。是吧？
你有罪，安息吧。圣洁的雨会洗净一切。
有力。
残留。危险！